Hello everyone, welcome back to Yonon. And while you are using computer and you may feel that your computer is working slow, or if you have visit any kind of website, or even sometime you feel that your computer is being hacked. So how will you know that your PC is being hacked or not? And what are the possible way to get rid of those malwares and hackers from your computer? So in this video I will be showing you the best possible ways to catch those hackers from your device and remove them by following simple steps. So without any delay, quickly start it. And the very first thing that you will have to do, you just need to find out that is there any kind of malware program running on your computer, or even if there are any kind of fake virus pop-up that is blocking your computer, then you need to close them. So for that you need to make a right click on the Windows icon, then click on text manager. In case if you are not able to access your text manager, then you have to use the shortcut key, that is Control Shift and Escape, and this will bring up the text manager on your screen. So once the text manager comes up, now here it will list your all kind of application and all kind of program running on your device. So look here, for each and every application whichever you don't identify, simply make a right click on it and choose in text, and make sure that you scroll down till the bottom and find any kind of unidentified application or program which on you did not identify, then just close them. After that, what else you can do, just click on your Windows search and type here resource. Then from the suggestion you will have to click on resource monitor. Now here from the top menu option you will have to click on network, and in the network find out any kind of application or program that is occupying the maximum bandwidth. Now many times those kind of hackers they send any kind of malware that run on your computer. So basically those kind of program and malware, they occupy a lot of internet data on your computer, and this might be right way to catch. So this kind of malware file are running on your computer. So if you find any suspicious program here again, or any application that is occupying a lot of memory, you just need to make a right click on it and choose in text. Now in case if you are not able to handle these jobs, or you find the process completely, then you can take the help of any computer technician or computer expert. Now next, what you have to do, just click on your Windows search again and type here nplwz. Once you have typed that, hit the enter key, and this will bring up the user account, and it will list you all kind of user account that you have created on your computer. So now many times those hackers they create a user account to access your computer locally. So what you have to do here, look over all the user account, create whichever you feel that you have not created, or any account that you look similar to your own account, then you will have to go ahead and delete them. So once you are done, you have to click on OK. Next, you also need to make sure that you uninstall all kind of game or application that you have currently installed at a majority of the hacking issues. So I have seen many people, they are enjoying many kind of game, any kind of application downloading from any kind of website, and most of those websites contain the malware program inside the application or game. So if you have recently downloaded any kind of such application or game, then go ahead and uninstall them. You also need to uninstall any kind of application or program that you are not using or you don't identify, and in order to uninstall, so you have to click on your Windows search again and type here apwz.cpl, and once you have typed that, just hit the enter key. Now this will list you all kind of application program that install on your computer. So whichever you don't identify, whichever you don't need, or any kind of pirated program or game, you have to go ahead and right click on it and choose uninstall. Now part of this I would also recommended you that instead of uninstall those application from here, use any kind of third party software like Revo uninstall or Wish uninstall to completely remove those application from your computer. So I would also recommended you that if you are using any kind of pirated Windows or not activate Windows, then kindly go ahead and reinstall your Windows again and have a product key directly from your Microsoft website or any kind of third party website. It's not recommended that you to use any kind of pirated Windows because your Windows will be in the risks. Okay, next we also need to optimize the browser. So whichever browser you use the most, let's say if you are using Google Chrome, then you have to bring up, then click on the three dot at the right hand side top menu, and from the suggestion you will have to click on extension, then click on manage extension. Now this will list you all kind of extension install on your browser, and you have to look for one by one that you don't identify, that you don't use, then simply go ahead and disable them and then remove from your device. It's really recommended that do not skip this part, because you are done, again click on the three dot and then right click on top. Now click on the setting, and from the left hand menu option you will have to click on privacy and security. After that click on clear browsing data, and now choose advanced time range to all time, and here check all the option except password and autofill from data, keep them, and check then you have to click on clear data and wait until all the files are being deleted. So after deleted, from the left hand menu option only click on reset setting and click restore setting to their original default, and click reset setting again. In case if the hackers have made any kind of changes, it will be removed, and once you are done, open a new tab and then type here Chrome password manager. Now hit the enter key and click on the first link of Google password manager. Now in the might ask you to log in with your Google account that you are using on your computer. So log in, and after that you have to click on go to password, then click on check password, and once the check has been complete, it will let you know that what kind of password are being compromised, that are the reset password, and what kind of password is. All right, so this is a very important step and a very useful feature of Google, and you can see on my end it says 55 compromised password. So change this password right now. All right, so you will have to click on the drop down, and it will list you all kind of website where your password seems to be compromised. Now this process may take some time, because you have to manually change the password for each and every website, and on the right hand side you will find the option of change password. So click on them, and one by one whichever website you feel important, go to their website and change the password for their account immediately. So once you are done, you can go back again, and you can also look over the password that seems to be weak, or on that says reuse password. So click on them and check every website and change the password for those accounts, so that your account and your information should be safe and secure. Okay, so doing all those steps will be surely helping you to find out that your computer is being hacked or not. So there are a few more steps to apply in order to remove all those kind of hackers and malware program from your computer. So for that you need to click on our Windows search and type here virus. Now on the suggestion, click virus and threat protection. After that here you have to click on scan option. Now here you will find a few different kind of scan. First you have to go with quick scan. So once it get complete, you need to come back and the same page and run Microsoft Defender antivirus, and let it run, and once it get completed, Next you have to right click on your Windows icon again, click on run. Now type here MRT. Once you have typed, click on OK or hit enter. This is a free and best program of Microsoft Windows malware removal tool, and once this box will be up, here you have to click on next. It says quickly scan and full scan, so I would recommend you to go to with the full scan, because it will take a long time, but it will give you the best result. In case if you don't have enough time, then you can also go with a quick scan. You can click on next, and the scan will be start. Also, I would recommend you that go ahead and delete all the temporary file, because many times those files remain in the temporary folder and can cause the issue. So for that, again right click on the Windows icon. Now click on run and type here temp. Once type, hit the enter key. Now here select all those files by pressing Ctrl+A from your keyboard, then press the shift and delete key to permanently delete all this file. So once you are done, again right click on the Windows icon and click on run. This time you have to type here %temp %. After that, click on OK or press enter. Now again press Ctrl+A to select all of them. Now press shift and delete key, and it will start deleting all the temporary file from your computer. So that may also contain any kind of virus. Once done, again bring up any of your browser, and in the search you have to type Hitman Pro, and once you type that, hit the enter key. Now here click on the first link of Hitman Pro. Once it open up, here you have to click on a free 30 days trial, then click on download now. Hitman Pro is a very powerful tool to remove any kind of malware or any kind of virus activity from your computer. So once downloaded the program, click on the downloaded file and open it. So once it open up, shows no, I only want to perform a one-time scan to check this computer. Then click on next, and the scanning will be started. So this program will detect any kind of malware that is stored on your computer, and it will automatically delete them. So wait until the program is been and the scan is been complete. At last, now finally what else, I would recommend that you go to ahead and change the password of your router, change the password of your computer, and better have a strong and a complement password to change your computer password. So for that, you can right click on your Windows icon, then click on settings. From the menu option, click on accounts, and there you have to click on signing option. Here you will find different ways to sign in, and I have seen many people, they are using either a weak password or not using any kind of password on the device. So it will strongly recommended that go with a strong password, like we can go with a fingerprint and face recognition, or even if you go with a password, then choose the strong password that you have not used before the computer. So those are the best recommended that you can try in order to fix the remove all kind of hacking issues from your computer. So I hope this video will help for you. If it is, then don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button over here. If you have any type of question, then contact with me or comment on the comment section. I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.